Boys and girls, I had a viewer ask a question on how these are powered up. Now I'm going to try and cover it in a small video, as small as I can get it. So welcome back to DIY with Chucks. So let's have a look. Okay, let's have a quick look. We have a connector that goes in there. Now the top pin is your power and your bottom pin is your earth, but they pick it as a yellow. No idea why they pick yellow. Right, so I've got this on the output. The yellow wire, which is this wire here, goes up into the red wire. And the black wire, which should be coming off here, sorry about the videoing, the black wire will run. The black wire is hooked up through to my negative side of my battery. The black wire, which is already done that, is hooked up to the yellow wire, which is here. So hope that helps. So in this case, just remember your black wire is your yellow wire and your red wire is your power, and it uses 12 volts. And I've just got these hooked up there to do that, and they've been working constantly for ages, and they even run my solar assistant as well. And that's it. All right, so this came with some wiring. This one here is for my switch that turns on the display, but this wiring here is my that goes to your BMS. So here's your BMS wiring that goes onto the BMS. You get this cable, it's a separate cable. This one's already hooked up. You've got your switch on. There's your wiring cable, wiring loom cable. Yep, this is different. So does this go into the end of it? So this is a wiring loom that goes into there. And they've used very light wires and it's not wired properly. So you've just proved to me that they've stuffed up on my wiring loom. So I don't know why they're sending these out, because this isn't correct. So I'm going to have to contact her and say, hey, this wiring is not correct for this model. Or if it is, well, no, it's not correct. So I used the new monitor onto it, and that was meant to be the wiring for it, but it's incorrect. So this is really bad. So if you've got wiring like this, and this person might, then I don't know how they're getting the earth across, because there's no earth on that wire, unless they're switching the power on through the power connector, but that's got a power connector on it. Same deal. No, I think they've really stuffed up on the wiring. I'm going to contact them, have a discussion about it. That's terrible. And you can even see there the wiring has been clipped a little bit, which I'm not too impressed. So let's have a look what we do have and then go with that. Okay, they've used substandard wiring straight away. The top wire is meant to be your red wire, which is a white wire. The green wire I think is a timing wire, and the other two is like sending the data and an earth. So the brown wire might be the earth. The one underneath, which is a yellow wire, is your data, and it's missing an earth of some description on this wiring, or it is missing, yeah, it's missing an earth for this wiring. And if you've got this cable, you've got a real problem. So back to the drawing board. I'm sorry about this, guys. This was meant to be a quick video, but I've found out a problem that I've got with something I've just bought, which is a backup. So I'll contact this person, have a chat to them.